Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding banner cover photos on Pinterest. A banner cover photo is the large horizontal image that appears at the top of your Pinterest profile. It's the first thing visitors see, and it sets the tone for your entire board collection. Think of it as your digital storefront. Step 2. Checking your Pinterest account status. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version of the Pinterest app or website. Sometimes Pinterest rolls out features gradually, so updating everything ensures you have access to the banner feature. If you're on an older version, the option simply won't be available yet. Step 3. Navigating to your profile settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Edit Profile. This takes you to the control center where all your customization options live. You'll see various sections here dedicated to personalizing your presence. Step 4. Uploading your banner image. Look for the banner upload section at the top of your profile editing area. Click on it and select an image from your device. Pinterest recommends images that are at least 1200 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall for the best quality and appearance. Step 5. Optimizing and publishing your banner. Once uploaded, adjust the image if needed to crop or zoom in on the parts you want emphasized. Save your changes and your new banner cover photo is now live on your profile. Visitors will immediately see your fresh new banner when they visit your page.